Guys, if you have to switch between different devices a lot, getting a standard docking station is an obvious solution. But what if I told you there is a docking station that does things differently? I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today, I am going to review a BENQ BeCreatus DP1310 Hybrid Docking Station. Here are some things I'm going to cover in this video: packaging and design, main features and functionality, setup and installation. And of course, I will tell you about the things I like and some thoughts on if you should buy it. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Alright, now time to start. Okay guys, let's unbox this docking station and see what's in the package. The first thing that catches my eye when I look inside, BENQ do their best to use less packing plastic. And this is awesome. Less waste, better for the environment. So apart from the docking station itself, you also get a power adapter, a USB-C cable, an HDMI 2.1 cable, a quick start guide and a warranty card. So I would say this is a pretty standard set of things. Now friends, let's take a look at the dock itself. Well guys, the DP1310 dock is small and light. The case is slick aluminum. As you can see, it has 3 ribs on top and bottom. They help it cool down more effectively. And there are anti-slip strips on the bottom and on the side here as well. This means that you can place it either horizontally or vertically, and it won't move around, which can be annoying. The front plate is textured dark gray plastic. A large green button has a muted green shade. Overall, I think the design is great and will blend into any workspace without any issues. Alright guys, and now let's look at what kind of connectivity this dock has to offer. So as you can see, you can find all the ports on the front and the back panel. Let's explore what we have on the front panel. 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, a 3.5mm audio jack that works both for your headphones and microphone, an LED status indicator, and a power on-off button. Now folks, let's turn it around and look at the rear panel. Here we can see 2 USB-A 2.2 ports at 480 megabits per second for your keyboard and mouse, a gigabit Ethernet port for your internet connection, and another USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 port. For video output, there is a DisplayPort 1.2 and below it, an HDMI 2 output port. Additionally, the device features 2 HDMI ports for input and output, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, and DC input port. So to sum up, the BENQ Hybrid Dock offers 13 ports. From what I can see, it's got quite some power for all your gadgets. What's neat is it has 2 host ports, one for data and video, and another for game consoles or media players using HDMI. I would say it's a good mix of ports. And the 36-watt USB-C port in the front is handy for keeping your iPad or smartphone charging all day. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Alright, now you know what this little dock can offer in terms of inputs and outputs. So let's see how it works. The first thing you have to do is use the link provided in the quick start guide. That will take you to the display link drivers. It's pretty standard stuff, so it won't take you long. The link will take you to the Synaptics website, where you can download the software for your operating system. Once that's done, you can connect as many devices and gadgets as you like. By the way folks, you can connect up to 3 external monitors to this dock. It has 2 HDMI output ports and 1 DP output port. Only the HDMI 2.1 port among the 3 can take 2 input sources and switch between them with a single button press. Basically, you can connect your main monitor to the HDMI 2.1 output because it has the highest capacity. If you have a gaming monitor with a high refresh rate, make sure to use the shared HDMI 2.1 output for that. In my case, mates, I decided to connect the BENQ GW3290QT monitor, a laptop, a gaming console, and a few other gadgets. When you plug in the docking station, it stays off until you press and hold the green button for 3 seconds, and this powers up the docking station. While it's starting up, you will see a small white LED indicator flashing. Once it's powered up, the LED turns blue, showing that the blue USB-C input is in use. This means that HDMI 2.1 output is displaying connected from your USB-C device. Folks, press the green button, and the LED turns green. This means your second display input is active. And I want to say, it's a handy light that tells you what's going on. I have to say, folks, no matter what setup I tried, it runs smoothly. The dock stays cool even when I connect extra monitors for a day. I haven't seen any lag or issues. And the dock didn't heat up even when nearly all its ports were in use. It performed consistently without any drop in power or performance. While it did warm up a bit, it never raised any concerns about the hardware. Now guys, let me tell you about the things I really like about this docking station. I've got to say, there is a lot of that. Light and compact. The third thing I like about it is how small and lightweight this dock is. The best 3-monitor setup. This little guy allows a setup with 4K resolution at 60 Hz on 3 screens. It provides the best user experience through the high-speed USB-C, and I think that's not bad at all. Dual source integration. You can easily switch between work and play setup just by pressing a single button. Works with everything. Friends, this dock is compatible with pretty much everything you have got: Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, Linux, and Ubuntu. When it comes to gaming consoles, it's PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. Put it where you like. Finally, I really like that the DP1310 dock works with any setup. There are options for vertical or horizontal placement, and it looks very cool and minimalistic. That's why it won't be out of place anywhere. Finally guys, let me give you my verdict. First of all, when it comes to price, this dock is quite affordable for its set of features. On the official website, the price is around $300. In my opinion, the standout quality of this docking station is its speedy display switching. This feature really sets it apart, and I enjoyed using it very much. In other words, this docking station is perfect for folks who want to effortlessly switch a single monitor between 2 sources. Plus, it's great for smooth high frame rate gaming, thanks to HDMI 2.1. If you are a fan of console gaming with a high resolution or high frame rate monitor, I think this dock is a great match. Even for PC gamers, it works well. In addition, it gives perfect connectivity for all my accessories, making my work smooth. Alright my friends, that's all about my BENQ BeCreatus DP1310 Hybrid Docking Station review. Not so long ago I reviewed another BENQ product, a BENQ GW3290 QT monitor. Feel free to check out that review on my channel if you are interested. I loved it, so I was pretty excited to try this one. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.